let me everyone every night thinking about why the how the cell interaction is so important. Okay, so I firstly because there are many students in the NU, also in university, so they will be happy and we have to discuss very closely. Okay. And Nakajima graduated from the graduate school like nanoscience at YCU, Yokohama City University. Okay, majoring in your fields is very good. Genomic system science. And become a assistant professor at the Institute of Industry Science at the University of Tokyo. And since 2021, he has served as an assistant professor in the Faculty of Science at YCU. Professor Nakajima specializes in applications of biological functions, bioprocessing engineering, and the morphology and the structure of life science. He has published over 30 related papers, primarily focusing on 3D structure organization, histology of the uterus and the fallopian tubes, and the small survivor layer. So today we are honored to have Professor Nakajima here today to share his experience about the 3D cell cultures. So we can welcome. Here is information and okay, you can to read it.
First, can I introduce my shortly I can talk about the introduction.
Okay.
For the
students.
Okay. But I should wait for the coming other doctors.
I think we don't need to wait. Later I will introduce some more names. And I think I know. Okay.
Okay, thank you. My name is Tadaaki Nakajima, and from the Yokohama State University. And thank you for your introduction. And I'm so happy to visiting to the National Commerce University for this training lesson and starting collaboration with National Commerce University and Yokohama State University. So today the training lesson, I want to teach you some 3D culture method, even in the same 3D culture method, using a single culture. So this is summarize the 3D culture method using some silicone chip and collagen gel. So firstly, today we make collagen gel on the PDMS silicone chip. This is a homemade one, and we can easily make using a silicone and template or some made by the 3D printer. So that we can design and we can easily make the PDMS silicone chip, and using this chip, we can make a gel, control the gel shape of the gel for the gel, for gelation using like the template. So today also we will make simple flat plane gel type of gel using glass bottom dish because of this protocol is some complexity to first time experiment, so that for simplification we will try to more simple. We try to make a more simpler collagen gel using more rough frame like these type of subtle and flat frame type of collagen gel. But we also use this TPDMS chip. The collagen gel is soaked to the center of the nail well, and then we insert it from side the acupuncture needle to the gel from side, and then collagen gel is some mystery have a mystery function. So the solution is keep at the 4 degree and low, but after warming to the 37 degree, and the gel is we can allow the collagen solution to the gel to make gel. So after gelation of the collagen gel, we will put the acupuncture needle. This today is using a diameter is 300 micrometer. So, but you can choose the optimal diameter by using the diameter of the acupuncture needle. So when you use a 200 micrometer acupuncture needle, we can make a hollow channel of the collagen gel whose diameter is 200 micrometer too. So the pulling acupuncture needle, making the hollow channel in the collagen gel. So after the gelation for 90 minutes, and we will seeding and loading and seeding the kakotsu cell. This is a gut type of the cell line from the side well to the lumen, and we will compound the attachment to the ductal scaffold on the cells, and top side and bottom side. And so we can continuously culture the cells on the shape of the tubular-like shell. So in the semi-3D culture, we will use a simple gas bottom dish. We will also see the kakotsu cells on the flat frame collagen gel. It is a schedule of this training lesson. What do you have any question or before the training starting? Okay.
Thank you for the very brief introduction, because the experiment procedure is a little complicated than yesterday. So later we will give you the SOP. So maybe the SOP, the protocol, will be to compare any question. We have the time 90 minutes because later the duration. Okay, we will be to formation the duration for this structure. Okay, so later we will have more time to discuss. Yeah.
Of course, you give some complex protocols, but this is a simple procedure. Firstly, we make a collagen gel on flat frame or ductal scaffold, and then we seed the kakotsu cell on the gel or loading to the hollow channel. Only today we have two steps: collagen gel fabrication of collagen gel and loading the cell on or to load the cell lumen.
I wonder how many, the cell layers it will be.
Only one layer, because the Kakotsu cell cannot cannot form the stratified epithelial cell type. So the Kakotsu cell only if then we solve today, or we see the high extremely high concentration of the cells to the lumen, but they only attach one layer as one layer.
Because example is intestinal cell. So the cell only one mono layer. If you culture another type of cell, maybe the multiple layer in the channel or not.
We can the multiple layer using the flat plane type of the culture system, because usually the multi-layer cells we can observe some like a skin and some vagina, so that they touch that epithelium touch to the and exposed by the air usually. So at the 2D culture system, we can divide it the bottom side and the top side. We can control the environment of the top side and bottom side culture system. We can expose the air to the exterior. So on the semi-3D culture system, only in the semi-3D culture system. So when we use skin type of the endodermal exterior cells, the cell also touch only monolayer, one layer to the firstly attached to the gel as a monolayer. After exposure of the air, we can make a multi-layer on the gel. But it is difficult. It is hard to exposure to making the environment of exposure of air only into the lumen, because some medium coming from the lumen, and if we empty the medium from the lumen side, but we can find some medium into the lumen derived from the gel using this type of culture. So I think multicellular layer cannot be formed using by a 3D type of the culture.
So later you will remove the collagen, this kind of the box on the chain, because if you use this kind of just tissue open light for the display, to check if the compound will cause to the
lumen side.
Yeah, how do you know that the cells is forming very quick, very certainly they are not leaking?
From the lumen side?
The channel, the cell channel,
yeah.
That is there are the cell,
Yes.
but maybe later you put some kind of the material inside and
yes.
you want to check if they are leaking.
Yes.
But maybe it's artificial or just by nature they didn't form so quick. How do you check? Check.
For conference, we can check the conference state of the cells through the hollow channel, and using some fluorescence dye from the lumen side, and we can check the leakage of the compounds to the gel. So that if we cannot find any leakage from the lumen side to the collagen gel, we check the compounds making some barrier, let's say the barrier, and so that after that we can use some assay of some natural products from the lumen side, like indigo. Is this answer your question?
Yes, that's right.
So before the formation of the completed barrier, medium exists also in top of the side of the culture gel. So that the medium immersed to the lumen side. So it is hard to make a multicellular layer using this type of the culture system.
Okay. Because the time limitation, so now I use the Chinese to tell me lecture. Okay, so okay，来，你的档案几点要做什么？要说明一下，或者是修在档案上。等一下我们说明一下哈，因为我们的实验场在隔壁，那所以这一间的话会是一个你放置你的比较就是可以先放的东西，然后只要带着很简单的东西过去哈。那再来我们已经有准备参考的 SOP 好，那刚刚有一个讨论，就是说是不是大家一个人带一张过去那里，或者是说他们有很贴心的在墙边哈，他就已经有一张今天要操作的动作。OK 好，所以这个是先说明一下。那比较今天比较情况会是在这里哈。那谢谢中島老师，我们昨天已经有大概有 run 了一下沟通了一次。那时间就会秀在这里，好 ，so later this PPT will be shown here. And let everyone know when to do the kind of procedure 哈 ，OK， 好，那时间昨天有说要从9点半开始。
现在是老师解说完之后，我们会发一人一份的 SOP。然后我们带你们去到隔壁做实验，然后会先由中島老师示范到一个制胶完成的实验。这个制胶因为中间要等待1个半小时，所以那1个半小时就换成学员去操作那个制胶。然后中间是中午午餐的时间，午餐过后，这个胶刚中島老师说会加细胞进去，所以下午的时候才会加细胞进去，然后再是换学员，然后后面 tea break 跟那个后面的讨论都是一样的时间。
这边好，就是在目前的情况下做调整。那如果有任何问题，因为可能两边跑来跑去嘛，你就把它记录一下，因为我们最后会有一个会跟 discussion 的时候可以好好的询问。那我们昨天晚上已经有先跟中島老师先 check 过这些细节，非常的有趣，然后很细致，好，所以等一下请大家在操作在看的时候要仔细看。好 ，OK， 来，那你要不要现在发email？
先发。
OK。
然后这里有个简单的中文的实验设计，第一个是先洗手，用吸收乳洗手，洗完手之